Hey there, Greg from My Mortgage. Just wanted to talk about whether you should pay your mortgage off as quickly as possible. And there's a few contradicting kind of opinions on this, and it really depends on what you're wanting to achieve. So obviously getting your home loan paid off as quickly as you can is great. It saves you interest costs. It means that once your home loan is repaid, you're mortgage free, and gives you a lot more flexibility in things you can do with your life, whether you could reduce hours at work or just have more funds to do other things, or all those sorts of things, which is awesome. But for some people, actually not paying off their mortgage and focusing on other things, other investment opportunities, potentially that's investment properties, but potentially it's things like buying into businesses, buying shares, and so any available cash they have, cash reserves, they might be wanting to put into those other things. The other thing is that sometimes it might not actually make sense to pay off your home loan, even though you have the funds available. So for example, often we'll get people and they'll get an inheritance, and their first thing is, hey, we want to pay off the home loan. That's great. But sometimes it makes sense to actually hold on to those funds, and what we can do is set up your home loan in a way that you don't pay any interest on it, but you still on your home loan, but you still have access to those funds if you need it. So say for example your home loan is 300,000, you get some inheritance of 300,000, and so instead of just paying that off and then not having that cash available to you, we could set up an offset or maybe a revolving credit. You can put those funds in there. You're not paying any interest on your home loan, which still frees up the cash flow, but you could still access that money. So say for example you needed to then fix the roof on your house. Great, you can pull that money out and use that. Maybe you want to go on a holiday, buy a boat, buy a new vehicle, something like that. The funds are still available, but you wouldn't be paying any interest in the meantime, and you'll be paying less interest over the term of your loan. So just because you have the ability to maybe repay your home loan faster or pay it off doesn't mean you necessarily should or want to. But if you are wanting to repay your home loan as quickly as possible, there's lots of strategies of ways you can do that. We've got lots of helpful information, blog articles, videos that will help you with that as well. So any questions around can I pay my home loan off quickly or should I? Feel free to give us a call. Happy to talk through your personal situation and give you the best advice for what you're wanting to achieve.